Among the many high-value marine tropical finfish that could be found in India, the silver pompano, Trachinotis blochi, is a major one, mainly due to its fast growth rate and high market demand. It's well understood that the commercialization of aquaculture of any species, the vital requirement is the availability of technology for the seed production and farming. The Central Marine Fisheries Research Institute, CMFRI, has initiated aquaculture research on pompano from 2008, and the first successful broodstock development, induced breeding, and larval production are now successfully accomplished, which is akin to highly priced pomfrets. It can be considered a milestone towards the development of pompano aquaculture in the country. Only a very few countries are successful in breeding this fish, and the entire world production is only about 300 tons. Silver pompano is caught only sporadically in the commercial fishery, and hence its natural availability in the sea is rather scarce. It's a much sought after species, and hence the demand can be met only through aquaculture. The farming of pompano can be successfully carried out in ponds, tanks, and floating sea cages. The species is able to acclimatize and grow well even at a lower salinity of about 10 ppt, and hence it is suited for farming in the vast low saline and brackish waters of our country, besides its potential for sea cage farming. It's evident that any aquaculture venture can be popularized only if proper technology is available and the practice is of high commercial value. The present success in pompano breeding at CMFRI, Mandapam Research Center, is a major step in the development of seed production technology. However, the standardization of commercial level seed production technology is the next urgent step. Hence, investment on infrastructure for broodstock development and the state-of-the-art hatchery should be given topmost priority. It is felt that pompano is a potential mariculture giant which has vast domestic and global business prospects. In the breeding process, after the successful larval rearing, they were transported by road from Mandapam near Rameswaram in Tamil Nadu to Antharvedi in the East Godavari district of Andhra Pradesh at a distance of 1,200 km and stocked in 1 acre pond of a farmer. About 3,600 seeds were stocked and fed with indigenous pellet feed and maintained good pond environment, resulting in a survival of more than 95%. During the course of 8 months, they reached a size range of 450 to 550 grams weight, which is an excellent table size for marketing. This fish tolerates wide salinity range from 5 ppt to 35 ppt and can feed at all angles, which makes it a versatile and most aquaculture-friendly species. By separating the nursery phase, it's possible to have 2 harvests in 1 year. About 12,000 seeds can be stocked in 1 hectare, and about 5 tons of fish can be harvested for each crop. Karnataka Fisheries Development Corporation has taken up the marketing in Bangalore, where it is popularly referred as American pomfret. Silver pompano looks and tastes like silver pomfrets and fetches a farm gate price of about Rs 200 per kg. It's the most prized high-value marine fish, which is rarely available in the sea. They were collected as young ones, nurtured them to maturity, and successfully induced them to spawn with suitable hormonal protocols developed by the institute. The total availability of high-valued marine fish in India from marine capture fisheries is about 2 lakh tons per year. Such fish are in great demand in all metros, particularly during April-July period, due to the national trawl ban on East Coast and West Coast successively. The demand during this period is estimated at about 2 lakh tons and fetches the highest price during this period. In this context, silver pompano's harvest gains a lot of importance to aquaculture, along with other marine fish already bred by CMFRI to bring lakhs of acres of barren coastal saline low-lying lands to produce the high-valued fish, thus improving the food production and nutritional enhancement of the country. Let us join hands together to achieve this broad spectrum mission wholeheartedly.